Thank the God of choosing for restoring back my memory.
Amen.
Yes. Because before, in my place of work, I do have loss of memory. And the work I'm doing there, I'm a secretary. And it needs concentration and memory. But getting to my place of work, I got confused every time, every minute. So when I came to the program, was it on March? So that the GO mentioned my case and I claim it. And I'm telling you right now, I'm even concentrating more than my director in my workplace. Time that I gave testimony here, I was asked to burn my trousers. So on that very day, I was thinking over it. How is it going to happen? Can I do this? And I don't have skate. I don't wear skate. So I said, okay, God of choosing, you asked me to do this. Give me the grace to do it. So I'm telling you, frankly speaking, when I got home that day, I don't even know how it happened. I picked up all my trousers. I counted it. That was 42 trousers. And I burned them that very day. So starting from that day that I burned those trousers, I began to experience the favor of God in my life.
Power.
I was experiencing. Before I called it hookworm. And this thing has been happening to me for complete 3 years. And it do happen monthly. Every month it will come up. Every month it will come up. But on that very Sunday that I burned those trousers, on Monday the thing disappeared.
Power.
And after that day, when I came here, I do fix weave-on, I paint and all the rest of them. So when I came here with my weave-on, so I was asked to go and lose the weave-on. So when I go to them, I say, how can I still do this? Okay, what kind of hair will I be fixing that I should remove weave-on? I said, I don't think I can do this. So that very day, I didn't do it. But I'm telling you, the hair that I fixed is only 2 weeks. But after that day, I was told to lose that hair. Within 3 days, the hair started smelling. So I have no other option than to lose it. So I lose the hair. So after that, I was still asked to stop making up. So what I did, I said, how can I just be going out without making up? So I was doing the makeup lightly. So I don't do it so obvious. So what happened then? When I got to my working place, so I kept my bag on my table. So I went to my director's office to clean up that place. Before I came out, I couldn't see my bag again. Both my bag, phone, everything. I don't know how it happened. And those my makeups, they're inside that bag. Those my makeups I do apply, they're inside that bag. So when I came out, I say, I don't know who took my bag, so there's nothing I can do about it. But all the things that are inside that bag, God replaced them except that makeups.
Power.
That's my bag. I have my house key, my office key, 200 naira I want to use as my lunch that day, and my Bible and my phone. On that very day, 200 naira was given to me by one of my colleagues in the office. My director replaced the office key that same day. When I got home, my sister bought a new key. On Sunday, throughout this week, the Sunday of it, one woman is a wife of a pastor. She gave me another Bible. And the one colleague in my office gave me another phone. It's only that makeup that wasn't replaced. So now, I don't wear trousers and I don't make up. But I'm still having bad dreams. In my dreams, I've been seeing myself eating in dreams, having intercourse with man. I was like, I thought I've surrendered my life to Christ. So why all these dreams? But last Sunday, the weave-on I do fix is still in my house, despite that I don't fix it any longer. And both my jewelries, they are all in my house, despite that I don't put them on. But last Sunday, when I got home, after the preaching of my daddy, so when I got home, I have to throw away those things. Then I'm telling you, on that very Sunday, in the night, I had a dream. And in that dream, I saw when I was in the world, because now I'm fully repented and my spirit tells me that. So, praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
So in that dream, I saw the face of my former boyfriend when I was in the world. So he came to me in that dream and he was begging me that I should not leave him. Begging me, kneeling that I say no. So I have the guts to proclaim to him that no, I'm a born again. I can't go on with that in that dream. So I told him, we don't have anything in common. Just go and be born again. So I'm telling you, since that Sunday that I had that dream till now, nothing like that. I don't have any intercourse, nothing, man. And even the dreams I have, oh my God, I don't know how to say this. That one is that God has been favoring me. So before, I don't have favor. Till the time I deprived from the will of God. So, before I don't have the favor. And getting to an extent when I'm no longer doing the will of God. So everything turned upside down. And because of this case, I've been in several places, even all these white garments, CNS, I've been there. They told me so many things to do, which I did. They told me to buy different types of fruits, that they will put it in a river and all the rest of them. I bought different types of fruits. They put in small river, big one, biggest. They took me in 3 places. So after doing that, the prophet there told me that anytime I started lagging behind from doing all those things, that all the things that I got, that I'm going to lose it, and the condition will be worse. So that was what the prophet told me. I said, no, I cannot lag behind. And during that period, it's because of money to be buying those things. That's the reason why I couldn't go to that place any longer. But I'm telling you, frankly speaking, when this thing happened, I lose even the job I got during that time. I lose the job. Even the house that I rented during that period, I still lose the job. I lose everything that I got during that period. But now, all the testimonies which I've been having, they are all well established. Nothing like, if you didn't do this, you will lose this. God really established all the testimonies that I've been giving. There are some people that after giving the testimony, when they go back to their house, they will lose it. But my own, God really, really established it. So
what were you into before you came to choosing? What type of life were you living before you came to choosing?
Before I came to choosing, I was living a worldly life. Is it lies? Is it to get money from men? All sort of, I don't know. God really delivered me.